Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to go live on Instagram. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you're going to need to open up your Instagram application on your Android and iOS, and then you need to tap on this plus icon here, and here below you will see that next to the reel I have this live option. Okay, so basically you can use this option to go live. Okay, and if you don't see this option here, okay, you maybe need to just update your Instagram application from Play Store or Apple App Store. Okay, and once you basically hit this live option here at the bottom, your live streaming will be start on Instagram. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.